Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our yoga series for the third episode on breathing. In the previous episodes, we learned about the deep abdominal breathing and breathing with ah, oo, and sounds, or the om breathing. In today's episode, we will learn Bhastrika Pranayama, or bellow breathing. Bellow is a balloon-like instrument used by blacksmiths to blow air on hot iron, hence the forceful, rapid exhalation and inhalation of air in a rhythmical manner is called bellow breathing or Bhastrika Pranayama. When we do any kind of exercise, there will be an increase in demand for oxygen in our body to perform the physical activity. In order to meet this demand, the heart has to pump at a faster rate. But during the Bhastrika Pranayama, one will be pumping in more oxygen to the cells without the body asking for it, which means to say that one gets more oxygen and takes out more toxins from the body. The benefits of Bhastrika Pranayama are many. Bhastrika Pranayama immensely helps in protecting from various ailments of the respiratory system like sinusitis, headache, throat pain, tonsillitis, cough, chest congestion, bronchitis, and asthma. This is indeed very useful in the present context of the COVID-19 infection. While Bhastrika is a very beneficial pranayama, there are a few cases where it should be avoided, such as for people with high blood pressure, hernia, ulcers, retinal detachment, glaucoma, vertigo, and epilepsy, or any kind of bleeding disorders. People who have recently undergone surgeries or had a stroke. Also, it is to be avoided during the menstrual cycle and pregnancy. People with heart problems and long-standing bronchitis and asthma can practice under the guidance of an expert. With this background, let us now learn the practice of Bhastrika Pranayama, demonstrated by our yoga coach at Anirasa, Srimati Jayanti Subramanian.
We'll go ahead and start the practice with Bhastrika Pranayama or bellow breathing. This pranayam is a great energy booster, and in this Bhastrika Pranayam, the inhalations and exhalations are forceful and equal. The abdominal movements in this pranayam are exaggerated with a strong nasal sound accompanying the inhalations and the exhalations. Before we start practicing the Bhastrika Pranayama, we need to make sure that we are sitting comfortably and relaxedly in a meditative posture, in any comfortable meditative posture which you want. Either you can sit on the ground, or if it is not possible for you to sit on the ground, you can go ahead and do this practice even sitting on a chair. But while you are sitting, make sure that the upper body, the body above the waist, is erect. Your neck and back is erect, and you are thoroughly enjoying the practice with a beautiful smile on your face. After you have set right your posture and prepared yourself for this practice of Bhastrika Pranayama, we'll go ahead and take a deep breath in and breathe out forcefully through the nose without any strain. And immediately breathe in with the same force. Inhale and exhale repeatedly, deeply and thoroughly using the diaphragmatical muscles with vigor. The abdomen moves out during inhalation and moves down while exhaling. The entire breathing process should be rhythmic and controlled. We need to take care to maintain the speed as per our capacity. If needed, in order to have a deeper effect, you can also make a fist of your hands, place them by the sides of your body, and as you inhale, you lift up your arms And open up your palms, and as you exhale, completion of 10 breaths like this will constitute one round of the pranayama, Bhastrika pranayama. You can go ahead and relax after 10 breaths, and you can continue to do it for 3 more rounds. Bhastrika pranayama energizes the entire body. It calms the mind. It drains excess phlegm from the lungs, and it oxygenates the blood, thereby increasing the vitality of all the organs and tissues.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content. We look forward to meeting you soon with our next episode. Thank you.